Namaste, my friends. The cooling or the hissing breath. Sitali or Sitkari Pranayama. When you apply with your tongue, you roll your tongue. I can't do it myself, so I can't teach you. But if you can, you know what I'm talking about. You roll your tongue on the side like this. Then you inhale and exhale through the nose. And the other one, Sitkari, is with the teeth closed, and you breathe into the teeth and the tongue just touches the teeth behind. It's very cooling, so in hot summer days, this is the best pranayama to cool down. I experienced it myself, 40-50 degrees in India, sweating like an idiot, but with the Sitkari Pranayama technique, I could really cool down. It takes only 10 breaths. I recommend though, if you really want to practice it properly, do more than 10 breaths, up to 60 breaths even, 20, 30, 40, whatever is your capacity. Don't practice it if you're sick or if you're in a cold environment, because it really cools you down and this is not really healthy for your immune system. Also, it helps you if you feel hungry or thirsty. If you fast, for example, then you can apply this pranayama technique to remove thirst, to remove hunger. So try it out yourself when it's a very hot summer day. Fast a full day, no water, no food. Practice this pranayama or other pranayama techniques and you will see how the spiritual dimension opens for yourself. I hope this video was helpful for you. I also have another video where I explain a little bit more about this pranayama technique. Please check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.